Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S24 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find sound and vibration. Then let's scroll and find this ringtone section, and you can change the ringtone separately for the first and the second SIM card. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, the first SIM card. After tapping on it, you will be transferred to the list of pre-installed ringtones. At the top you've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify about the incoming call. And at the bottom we've got this option Add Ringtone, so you can choose something from your own files. So to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to tap on it and then listen whether you like it or not. So this is how it works, and if you decide that you want to set this specific ringtone, in my case Fairytale, simply make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.